Hey everyone, this is Paul here. So I had been looking to buy some furniture and I'd always been mechanically inclined, so I thought, why don't I go and try to build something? So I picked up this guide. It's called Ted's Woodworking, so I wanted to do a quick review. I went ahead and put some furniture together, and I went and built a really nice dresser, and it turned out really good. So I just wanted to say it's an awesome product, and I definitely think you should check it out. Even if you're not that mechanically inclined, I just want to show you on the website here. He's got some examples of the blueprints. I mean, they're detailed instructions. It basically just says this goes here, this goes there. So, it's as easy as going to Menards or Home Depot or Lowe's and picking up some wood and then some of the screws, and they tell you exactly what you need, and putting it together. You can use minimal tools, and it costs a significant amount less. So, if you're even remotely considering putting together some furniture, you should definitely check out this Ted's Woodworking Blueprints. You can see here all the plans. They've got barn plans, bed plans, bedroom plans, bookcase plans. So check it out. I think you'll really like it. I liked it. I put together some nice stuff, and I'll include a picture right after this video to show you what the final product was. But yeah, I think you'll really like it. So that's my review. Hope you enjoyed it.